Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In today's lecture, we will study the D flip-flop. This is our 14th lecture of our course Digital Electronics. Our D flip-flop starts as same as the JK flip-flop. First of all, we have the AND gate, and it is connected with the NOR gate. This is our NOR gate, and we will have the output. We will repeat it again. We will have the AND gate. It is connected with the NOR gate, and we will have our output. The next step is these outputs are the inputs of the NOR gate, like this. This one also is the input of the NOR gate, and here we have the clock connected with both of them, both of our AND gates. And then the main thing of the D flip-flop is we have the input D here, which is connected with both AND gates as on the first it is same, but for the second AND gate it is connected by passing from the NOT gate. Okay, this is our Q, and this is our Q bar, the opposite of this one. So now it will work as we will have our clock here, the D, Q, okay, and Qn plus 1. Our clock will always be 1. AND gate do the multiplication, NOR gate will give us the value. Equal to the 0 whenever we have any of the value or input 1, and the NOT gate will convert the value, will opposite the value. If we have 1 it will be 0, and if we have 0 it will be 1. So for the D we are taking 0, and we are imagining our this value Q as 0. So we have this 0. Okay, so this is 0. Process it as D is 0. We will have 0 on this input. The clock is 1. 1 and 0 will give us 0. And when this 0 will pass from the NOT gate, it will be converted to the 1, and 1 and 1 will give us 1. We are taking it as 0. So both 0 will give us 1. 1 and 1 will give us 0. Our final answer is 0. Now we are taking D 0 but Q as 1. We are taking the Q as 1. So when we have 1 here, it will give us 0. This 0 and this 1 will give us again 0. We will have 0 in this output also. This is our reset state. Now we will have the value of the D as 1, and we will imagine the value of the Q as 0. जब हमारे पास D भी 1 है और Q 0 है, okay, जब हमारे पास D 1 है और Q 0 है, D हमारे पास 1 है, तो it means इधर हमारे पास input 0 होगा, क्योंकि NOT gate से पास हो रहा है 1, and 1 will give us 1 passing from the AND gate. The other input we are imagining Q is equal to 0. So 0 and 1 will give us 0. Here we have the input 0. And from here we have 0 and 1. The input 0. 0 and 0 will give us 1. Here we have Qn plus 1 equal to 1. For the other one we are taking the Q as 1. We have 1 here. So 1 and 1 will give us 0 again. We have 0. For this we have 0. And 0 and 0 will give us 1 again. So this is our set state. This is the 14th lecture of our course Digital Electronics, in which we have studied the D flip-flop. In our next lecture we will study the T flip-flop.